Watch our favorite unboxing moments with us. Listen to the stories behind the painting as our customers share the sentimental thoughts behind each unique hand-painted portrait. LaDonna Powell writes, "My boyfriend is a retired veteran of the United States Army. He dedicated 27 years of his life as an active duty infantryman. Nothing would ever prepare him for the untimely death of his only son and baby of his kids. My boyfriend holds on to his memories and his faith to get by, along with family and close friends. To be able to capture the essence of what I felt spoke to the love of a father for his son could only be shown in a painting. Thank you so much for creating such beautiful peace in our world."
How beautiful. How beautiful.
This heartbreaking moment came with a sweet message. On his birthday, when asked what he wanted, he simply replied, "My girl back. When you love someone, you give them the world. But when the world shatters, you pick up the pieces and put them back together with the best you can." He asked to have her back on his birthday. Lord knows I would give my life to give this man just a few more minutes with her. So I gave him her eyes, as real as I could. Holly's daughter was graduating, and she'd been missing her grandmother who passed away 4 years before so much. So Holly got her the one gift she knew her daughter would love to have. The moment you see a lost loved one in a portrait can sometimes feel overwhelming. But we know that having that painting to remind you that they're always with you is a very special way to keep their memory alive forever. And you want to show your wife how much she really means to you? Try something like this. A gift right from the heart, full of meaning, and sure to make her cry.
Yes.
I will never be able to top this gift. The painting, everything that it meant, absolutely epic. Be prepared to cry if you give a gift like this. The talented artists can bring memories back to life, and what was once thought impossible becomes possible because of their incredible creativity. Thank you, Paint Your Life. Thanks for watching these emotional unboxing moments with us. Like and subscribe for more stories behind the portrait from Paint Your Life.